Need to reduce the fraction. Okay, 27 says find the slope. Write down this formula on your paper. It looks like this. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, that's the formula we need for 27. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and label x1, y1, x2, y2. What is my current y2? What did I call it? What's y2? Negative 16 minus y1.
Negative 11.
Negative 11 over x2. What's my x2?
Negative 8.
Negative 8 minus x1. Negative 6.
And then don't you keep the 6 as negative?
You're going to type it the exact way that it looks. Okay, so type that in your calculator and see what you get. 5 over 2. Somebody agree? Okay. 5 over 2. That's going to be your answer. Okay, look at number 29, sorry. 29 says find the slope of each line. Okay, which one is our slope? Which one is the slope? Negative 4 over 3. So this is my slope. This is my y-intercept. Okay, so we're going to say m equals negative 4 over 3 and b equals 5. Okay, so this is our answer. Please. Well, I'm trying it today, but so far I'm not impressed the way it's going. So it's going to go like this. So we're all on the same page. It's going to go 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So let's behave. Okay, 31 says write the slope-intercept form. Okay, so slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So that looks like this. Y equals mx plus b. This is my m, this is my b. Okay, so it's going to look like y equals 3x plus 4. Hey, my camera's on, so let's not say bad words. Okay, look at number 33. Can I scroll? All the way? That's good. Okay, 36 says write the point slope form. So again, write down this formula. Y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Okay, you're going to need that formula. Write it down. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and label x1, y1, and this is my m. Okay, so it's going to look like y minus, what's my y1? Negative 2 equals my m. It's negative 5 over 9. X minus, what is my x1? It's 5. Okay, somewhere on here, write yourself a note. Minus minus means a plus. Okay, so the minus minus, you need to change to a plus. Okay, so where can I change to a plus on this one? Y is minus minus 2. So right here, it should be a plus 2, a big plus 2. Okay, so make sure that you change that. to like scroll down to have enough room to write on 35, okay? So, you guys are gonna be writing on 35, but I'm gonna go to the next page so I have room to write 35. Does that make sense? Okay, so, let me write down. So it says through -3, 4, and -2, 0. Okay, our very first formula is gonna be, so this is the question, okay, is gonna be this. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so write that on your paper so that way you know that's the first formula that you need to use. Okay, and really I would write it like right here, okay, because you're gonna use the first formula and then you're gonna use the second formula, okay? But you can write it wherever, but you're gonna need this formula plus one more. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and label x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, what is my y2?
0.
0 minus y1.
4.
4 over x2. -2 minus x1. -3. Okay, type that in your calculator and see what you get.
It's always gonna be negative, subtract. 0 minus 4 is always gonna be minus.
There will always be at least one. There might be more than that. No.
-4 or -5.
What'd you guys get? You got -4? Okay. Huh? Well, he doesn't use a calculator, and then he doesn't reduce the fraction.
I forgot the one. That's not my fault.
Okay, so -4, what is that? What were we finding? What did we just find? The slope, that's our m. Okay, so this is my m. Okay, and then we need this formula too. So we're gonna say y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Okay, so we're gonna say y minus, what is my y1? 4 equals my m. What did I put for my m? -4. X minus, what is my x1? -3. And again, remember, see that minus minus? That becomes what? A plus. Okay, so right here, we gotta change it to a plus sign. Okay, and so this is our actual answer. My brother, that's 2.
The phone fell. You didn't hear it?
I did. Then what they have to do is you looking
I
at
had
it.
to make sure it wasn't broke. Okay, what is that?
Can I scroll? No? Boys, this is your last warning, okay? You good? Okay. And then our very last one says write the slope intercept form. So, your first step is going to be to distribute. And then your second step is going to be to either add or subtract. Okay, those are your steps every single time. It's going to be distribute and then either add or subtract.
That's it?
Well, I mean, we got to do that, but yeah. Okay, so 1/2 times 1. What's 1/2 times 1? It's going to be 1/2. So we're going to get y minus 1 equals 1/2 x. 1/2 times -4. 1/2 times -4. Okay, and then some of you guys probably don't remember how to type it on the calculator. So you're going to do the fraction, and then you need to make sure that you hit the over arrow, and when you're doing the times cannot be on the bottom part of that fraction, he's gotta be like off to the side, and then you can say times and then say the -4. Okay, if you put it underneath the bottom, you're probably gonna get 1/8, which is not correct, okay? So for this, you're gonna get a -2. Okay, and then are we gonna add or subtract? I need to move the 1, yep, so we're gonna add 1. Who does he go with, the 1/2 or the 2? The 2. So we get y equals 1/2 x minus 1. Okay, the rest of the sheet is for you guys to do. Your whole sheet should be done by today.